Last but not least, let's check into the complementary features for Orderspoon, starting with the reports, where you can see exactly how many orders you received throughout a day, week, or month. You can select a period here that is pre-made or set up a custom date range. In my case, I would like to check the last 2 weeks. And here I have my bar graph that I can also convert into a line graph and stack the frequencies here. It all depends on how you want to see or what kind of visuals are easier for you. Let's stick to the bar one, where if you hover over, you will see exactly the number of orders you received that day, and you can filter out the order types: pickup, dining, delivery, DoorDash, if you just click on them. So you can do kind of a zoom in. And you can also just move from other tabs like total sales and average order to see how much they contributed to your total revenue or your total average order. All this information for each order or where it is coming from is just down below. Here you can see every single order you received during that period of time I specified, in my case last year, but let's just make it shorter. Again, I will have to override this, and you'll have every single order and where it came from and from who. So we have here the date, receipt, the ID of the payment, the rollover on your printed ticket, what kind of order this was, if it was from future or if it was an ASAP order, the type, tip, and total. You can download all this data in a XLX file. It's an Excel file basically that you can download, and you can open in another tab in my case, and you can see here the name of the customer, phone number, and customer email used. You can also filter these using if you want a catering or regular store that I mentioned from the very beginning, or if you want to filter them out by a specific category like pickup, future pickup, all delivery, or dining. And you can download the file as you set it up. So this is very easy to use and very useful, and we always recommend you to pay attention to it, as we are very volume oriented, so you will need to be conscious on when you need to change from plan and when it's more convenient, because you have the chance to switch between plans whenever you want. Now let's move into the QR code generator. The QR code generator is a very nice tool because we know that everybody is looking for a QR code and for their websites to print, to have their menus ready, or just to have their tables as our contactless dining or QR code ordering allows. So you can easily create your QR codes in a way that is really nice to have and clean and with a good design if you want it that way. Like, this will depend completely on the amount of effort you want, but it is very flexible for those kind of things. We have two buttons here, two radial selectors. The store QR code means that you can use the QR code generator with any QR code that you want. In this case, automatically give us the us.orderspoon.com/our-store, or you can use it for contactless dining only. And if you already had a floor plan, you just need to click on the table or space that you're going to use or create a QR code from, and it will generate it automatically here. You can set up the store QR code first, so this is easier for everyone to understand, and we'll create a QR code for our discount. This is also something that we can do that we did from the discount before. We created a link. I'll just paste my discount here. Let's just make sure it's the same. 50% beer. Create. Let's copy that. Now let's go to the QR code generator. Paste it here. And it will generate my QR code for this discount. So everyone scanning this code will get immediately to the Orderspoon page with the discount applied. Beer promo, it's already there. Header size. It is a slide, so this is really nice to have. Subheader, this would be for scan now, and I can also modify the size or the colors. I'll just leave it white. You can show a logo, or you can set up a logo here. This will be my logo container. Logo container is for you. If this is transparent, maybe you will want it to be this way, or to not show at all. To have an outline to prevent your logo to, if it's transparent, just to have kind of the pure color in it and don't have any kind of thing that could make contrast between the QR code that you see. It's all messy. So I'll just have a logo container, or have a logo outline that is thick enough, like this one. Where do you position your logo here? At the center of your QR code, or at the bottom of your image or promotional image? Brief description. Let's change its color to white. For beer product only. For the center. And you can set up a background of your choice too, if you want a solid color, gradient, or an image. I'll leave it as is right now. And you can, you can set your own background, or just leave it as is. And you can print it, convert it to an image, to edit it on a different place, and or just the plain QR code. If I click on QR code, I will just download the plain QR code here. I can print it if I already have a printer on my side that I can make use of, or I can just convert it to an image. This will be a PNG image that I can use with a very nice quality, so it is not blurry, or it's a good printing quality too. And that's it. This is a QR code generator. You can use it for whatever you want, actually, even for your own website. Now we have live orders. That is just a report version that will give you like a different view of your orders. Orders coming through live will actually set up a notification here. Maybe you are not near your point of sale system, and you're at home, or you're at a different place, or in an office, or whatever. But this would be kind of a way to see your orders coming through. For example, right now, I don't have any orders yet, so let's just make sure this is the correct date. I had some orders already, so let's just place an order for you to see it. Let me just change the view, so I'll place my order here. Well, just see my screen. Let's place the order. Processing payment. Let's just wait. And my new order is ready. So whenever I want to check on my new orders, this will start popping up here. And I can reject the orders from here. I can cancel those orders. For a canceled order, fraudulent charge, or other, I can select a reason and just cancel the orders on time before they arrive. So this is a very nice way to have control if you're not near your Clover station and you are on your mobile device, or if you are on a desktop computer. Then we have the customer list that is basically telling you all the customers and what kind of orders they had, and how many orders they ordered already, or how many points they have on their loyalty system, so you can aim certain discounts or certain awards to them eventually, or if you want right now. So you can download all this information from here of all your customers. So this is really nice for you to keep track of who's very loyal to you, or which new customers you have, etc. kitchen display. Our kitchen display is a whole new system that will help you to show up your orders if you don't have printers, or if printers are very messy, or you need a more organized operation in your kitchen. You will really like our kitchen display that also has a 30-day free trial. Our kitchen display information is on our page. We provide a hardware for you to use, and it's really nice to have. So I would recommend it just because we have an integration with kitchen display in which your customers will receive an SMS message whenever your orders are done. You can click done on the orders, and the orders will disappear from the screen. And those orders will send the SMS message to your customers so they know immediately. Maybe if you had a lot of the time that we made due to our dynamic preparation time, there's like 1 hour preparation and you were finished within 30 minutes, and you want to make sure your customer knows that it's already done so the food doesn't get cold. So this is a really nice tool. I would really recommend checking it. So please, if you have any other questions, please go ahead and call us back. We have 2 buttons here for FAQs, and we have another for feedback if you want to request a feature, or if you have any problems with your online ordering platform. In the next video, we'll set up your printers. This will be a completely different one. I have a lot of segments here, so sorry if it took too long, but I think it's worth to explain everything in detail so you can use it at its max. So thanks a lot for your attention. Thanks for watching. And please remember that you can call us at our 650-681-0400 number, and have a wonderful day. Thanks.